The cups and balls are by far the most legendary trick in all of magic. It's been performed for thousands of years and perfected in the hands of some of magic's most iconic figures. The Legends cup and ball set is made from high quality, beautiful copper that makes this the premier set on the market. They come in two finishes, polished and aged. The polished cups come in a classic, highly shine finish that shows off the brilliance of the copper. The aged set has a hand brush patina that gives the appearance of an old antique set of cups. The Legend cups weigh in at almost 2 pounds for the set. That's over half a pound per cup. There are no gaps in the stack. They sound outstanding. And they're so durable, they'll last a lifetime. These will possibly be the heaviest, most high-quality cups you will ever own. And once you get your hands on them, you will never, ever look for another set. These are Legend cups and balls.